Warning: the following is a real-life cybercrime story. Names have been changed to protect privacy. This video contains stark reenactments that some people may find disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Good to have you here. Let's take a closer look at how the cyber scam deepens. In this opening segment, we'll see how Mia funds her new crypto wallet using a popular mobile payment service. Mia is guided step by step by cybercriminal Jenny. At this stage, Mia is dealing with a legitimate payment service that allows users to send and receive money online. But notice how Mia is totally dependent on Jenny to provide detailed instructions. Mia doesn't really understand what's going on, but puts faith in Jenny, who ultimately betrays Mia's trust.
Wednesday, May 29th at 1:17 p.m.
Sister, do you have time now? Let's try to buy Bitcoin using the mobile payment app you downloaded and start your learning journey.
Okay, I have some time. Please teach me, Professor Jenny.
Sister, I live alone at night and I'm lonely. It'll be nice if you could talk to me.
Absolutely, I'll talk with you.
Sister, you open the payment app now and take a screenshot for me so I can see what you see and help you better.
At 1:20 p.m.
Sis, click on the Add Money button to fund your new online account.
How much should I invest?
Sister, you decide according to your own situation. The profit we make on each trade is directly proportional to the amount of money you put into it. If your financial situation allows, I suggest you invest $200 to $600.
At 1:24 p.m.
I tried 200. It failed.
Sister, you need to call your bank.
Okay, stay tuned, Jenny. I'll call now.
At 1:27 p.m.
Okay, sister, you call your bank. I'll wait for you.
At 1:31 p.m.
Sister, how did your bank reply to you?
At 1:38 p.m.
I'm still on the call. They hung up on my first call, Jenny.
Sister, don't be in a hurry. It's your own funds. You have the right to use them.
At 1:43 p.m.
It went through. Woohoo!
Yes, sister, you did it.
At 1:49 p.m.
Now in this screen, sister, input $200. Lastly, click here at the bottom to make the purchase.
Jenny provides calm technical assistance through a complicated financial process that would otherwise overwhelm her victim, Mia. This is part of the trick. Make the victim feel safe and successful. We just saw how the first money was moved. Notice how Jenny remained calm and affirming and celebrated Mia's success. The victim now feels accomplished and emotionally validated. In the next segment, we'll see how Jenny moves Mia from using a legitimate online payment service over to a bogus crypto trading app that is hosted by a transnational criminal cyber cartel. The line between legitimate business and fraudulent criminal activity, it's about to blur.
At 2:04 p.m.
Sister, please download our cryptocurrency trading platform for options trading. Copy the link I will give you to your browser and open it to download the app.
At 2:12 p.m.
Jenny, I'm not sure what to do.
Sister, let's not rush. I will teach you step by step. Sister, please send me a screenshot from your phone so I can see what's happening, and then I will help you.
At 2:23 p.m.
Sister, the download is complete. You did it.
Yay!
Sister, please register an options trading account of your own.
I'm trying, Jenny. It didn't take my first attempt.
Sister, don't rush. Send me another screenshot so I can see what's happening and help you.
At 5:01 p.m.
Sister, today I purchased a Chinese tea set made of white porcelain. What do you think? Guess how much I paid for it?
Jenny, it is so very nice. How much? I have absolutely no idea. My guess is $1,000.
Sister, I spent $150,000 US. Do you think I'm crazy?
Wow. Nope. No thoughts of crazy.
Sister, I'm planning to give it to my aunt. She loves Chinese culture and antiques. You know, most of my achievements come from my aunt's assistance. I'm extremely grateful to her.
At 5:12 p.m.
How thoughtful of you. I'm sure she'll absolutely love it. It will be extra special because it is from her beloved niece.
Sister, my aunt's collection of antiques and art is worth more than 10 million US dollars.
That's amazing. Is her collection in her home?
Yes, Auntie has a special room for her things. Sister, when I go into my aunt's collection room, I'll take pictures of her treasures to show you.
Your present for her will fit in perfectly with her collection. I look forward to seeing pictures of her treasures.
At 6:09 p.m.
Sister, did you make dinner?
At 7:07 p.m.
I haven't made dinner yet. It's late, I know. We'll probably eat around 8 o'clock.
At 7:18 p.m.
Sister, when you are free, I will teach you the remaining steps so that you can catch the option trading note tomorrow.
Is 9 p.m. too late to chat?
At 8:15 p.m.
Sister, the time of 9 p.m. is okay. If all goes well, we can finish setting up your accounts within 20 minutes. Sister, what did you have for dinner?
At 8:32 p.m.
We had pizza and some veggies.
At 8:47 p.m.
Okay, sister. I just got out of the shower.
At 8:59 p.m.
I'm ready when you are, Jenny.
At 9:02 p.m.
Sister, open your cryptocurrency options trading app. Then send me a screenshot so I can see what you are seeing.
At 9:03 p.m.
Done. The screenshot is in my clipboard. I'll send it to you.
At 10:10 p.m.
Sister, you did it!
What did I do?
The money has been credited to your cryptocurrency options trading account.
At 10:14 p.m.
I'm not really sure what we just did.
Sister, we just transferred your Bitcoin from your mobile payment app to your account for crypto options trading.
Oh,
At 10:31 p.m.
Sister, are you sleepy?
sort of. How about you?
If you are sleepy, go to bed now. I'll alert you when I get notification of my auntie's deal. You can trade crypto options with me tomorrow.
At 10:32 p.m.
So, Jenny, you're going to bed now, correct?
Good night, sister. May you have sweet dreams with me in them.
You're super sweet. Good night.
Mia has now downloaded a fake binary options trading app controlled by a transnational criminal organization. The cyber cartel will now begin stealing Mia's money that has been converted from US dollars into cryptocurrency. The process is complex and tedious for Mia, who may be tempted to give up. To prevent this from happening, Jenny takes time to brag about spending $150,000 on a porcelain tea set. This distraction gives Mia a mental break and makes her feel she's in good company. I mean, rich people buy extravagant things, don't they? And if Mia stays with the process and doesn't quit, maybe she too will one day afford expensive luxuries.
Thursday, May 30th at 10:31 a.m.
Good morning, dear sister. Today's luck is already on its way.
At 12:47 p.m.
Sister, I'm having lunch with my assistant right now. Have you had lunch yet?
At 1:03 p.m.
I'm eating lunch right now, too.
At 5:49 p.m.
Sister, get ready to trade cryptocurrency options with me tonight.
At 7:10 p.m.
Sister, are you busy?
I'm having my dinner now. Will 8 p.m. be good?
Sister, after I receive my aunt's trading alert, I will notify you. The approximate time for the trading node is around 8:30 tonight.
At 8:15 p.m.
Sister, don't be nervous. Trading is actually very simple. Each time we trade, it only takes a few minutes. Do you have time now? I will be making my own trades too.
Yes.
At 8:18 p.m.
Sister, now open your cryptocurrency options trading app and then send me a screenshot.
At 8:31 p.m.
Okay, teacher.
At 8:27 p.m.
And now we wait patiently until 9:05 p.m. Sister, please don't click randomly. It's easy to lose money. I will guide every step.
Okay.
At 9:03 p.m.
Sister, click the options button at the top. When the screen refreshes, enter 100 for opening quantity.
Done.
Sister, Click Long.
Okay.
At 9:05 p.m.
Jenny, it's counting down.
Sister, wait for the transaction to end.
Waiting.
At 9:07 p.m.
Sister, we did it!
Woohoo! Yay!
At 9:10 p.m.
What does the plus 30.30 represent?
Sister, this means you made a profit of about $30 on your previous transaction.
Okay. Gotcha. Thanks, Jenny.
Sister, crypto options trading is very simple. We use the profits from each transaction you make using a compound interest model. In about 3 months, you will have $20,000. I will guide every step.
Wow, that's amazing.
At 9:23 p.m.
Sister, guess how much I made tonight doing my own trade?
How much?
$40,000.
Congratulations, Jenny.
Sister, you may want to consider increasing your trading capital so that you can see more significant profits.
The first trade is made, and it's a win for Mia. Or is it? In the next video, the stakes grow higher. Mia's investment account seems to skyrocket in value, and the emotional grip tightens around the unsuspecting victim. Join our growing community of fraud fighters. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Then visit ericrod.com for free informational resources and to see how you can become a fraud fighter by supporting my outreach and educational efforts. Thanks for watching.